come down to Biloxi, see the beach, and we figured we'd come see 3 Alarm Comics. We're going to take you inside and show you a few things. If we pick something up, we'll let you know. Come in. No. God, that's high. That's kind of stupid. Well, what's her name? Went to Felix and seen some live music. Had some videos for this. Spent the whole day at the beach.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fill my eyes with that double vision. No disguise for that double vision. Moved down here at the age of 18, lost your beautiful balls away with more than 18. I was introduced and we both started grooving. Said I love you, baby, but I gotta keep moving. Check my word, I'm away. Keep asking for much. So Lord, take me downtown. Oh, I'm looking for some trouble. I've been bad, been good. Dallas, Texas, Hollywood. Should have known by the tone of my voice, baby, but you didn't listen. You played dead, but you never bled. Instead, you laid still in the grass, all caught up in his
Got one leg. Back leg feet. What you doing, homie?
What is it?